What's good, YouTube? Like literally about 7 in the morning, bro. Like I'm like about to go drop my car off, right? Get tinted, right, bro. Like who trying to be up at 7 in the morning to go get a car tinted? But like that's just not it, gang. Like ain't nobody trying to do that. It's so unnecessary, bro. Like, but you know what I'm saying? You gotta do what you gotta do. Bro, tell me why I feel like this out here, bro. Like, look at this month, bro. Like, bro, it's supposed to be summer, bro, and it's 50 degrees, dog. Like this, like what? Yeah, y'all see I put the blue lights in and stuff now, so it ain't so lame in here. I'll check my floor mats out too, because I'm gonna try something different. That was a real cold start for real though. Shut it up, bro. Check those. I thought it was supposed to be summer, bro, and it's out here like, bro, the windows fogged up, bro. Like it's winter, bro. Like what? Come on, dude. Like, come on, man. Like what the fuck, man? Anyways, bro, I'm gonna give y'all an official car tour, bro. See, I got the blue lights down here, right? Got the blue lights down here. Y'all probably can see more because it's 7 in the morning, bro. And I want to get, I don't know. I fuck with the design of these seats now. I fuck with, like, I mess with the all black. Like, I low-key do mess with the all black now. But, you know, I'm finna get this thing tinted out, though. Like, this thing ain't finna be black, bro. But, like, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be dark in here, bro. I can't wait, low-key. Like, I'm, like, low-key excited for real. Like, I actually can't wait and stuff, so. Anyway, we're gonna get this thing tinted. Still on messing with this, bro. Like, oh. Yeah, I feel dumb. Anyways, I'm gonna get this thing tinted. I don't know why I keep saying that, but I'm gonna get this thing tinted, bro. This boy gonna be looking nice, bro. Bro, this is like, this low-key look good though. Like, see, I got them wires in here, bro. Like, I want the ones that have the lights, like I said in my last video. So I washed the car yesterday because, you know, obviously after you get tint, I guess you can't wash the car or whatever. Like, you can't wash the windows or something. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna see y'all probably like when the car gets done, bro. But this is the after though. Like, y'all can see there's a huge difference here, bro. Like, you can see there's, all right. So I got 20% here and I got 5% on the back. So, you know what I'm saying? It's a big difference if you ask me, gang. Bro, it is like, bro, when I tell you it's dark, bro, it is dark, bro. Why'd you just throw that in my car, bro? Like, you could have put that in the back seat or something, gang. Hi. Hi. Bro. This thing is like, bro, it looks so good at night, bro. You can't even, like, the camera's not even like, on camera you can barely even see. Can you see? You can barely see in there, bro. You can see because of the lights, bro. But in the back, bro, you can't see anything. Like, I'm literally up close and you can barely see in the car, bro. I'm trying to tell you this, bro. This stuff is so dark, bro.
Imagine having to use the lock, you know?
Niggas can't even see you. Does the dang thing don't work? Oh, yuck. Cold start. Fuck all this shit. Got them nasty lights shining in my stuff, man. Bro, y'all can really see the lights at night though. Like them, like they look good, bro. Like, honestly, for real. We got like 2 more. I gotta go buy some more of these, bro. Oh, I'm tripping. That's copyright. Yep.
The car's dirty, don't we?
It'd be great.
Bitch, don't kick my shit.
Alright, y'all, so basically, I just got home, right? Anyway, I just got home, right? After, like, so I was, gonna go upstairs, edit this video so I could go upload it and stuff. So, it is real dark, for real, but I hope y'all enjoyed the video, though. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and stuff, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.